everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. We're in a new location, not really. Today I am going to show you guys how I use potato juice in my hair. I did a live chat where someone told me that potato juice is good for your hair, and I was like, I'm skeptical. So I'm going to do a process where each week I'll come to you and I'll show you how my hair is doing. If my hair has fallen out, we'll all see the bald-headed me. But join me each week. I'm also going to be on my Facebook live chat every week showing you guys what I do. Actually, right now, you know what is funny? I'm on Facebook live right now. So the folks on Facebook live, they can actually see you guys, and they're probably waving at you all right there. So this is potato, and this is actually Idaho potatoes. I don't know the real name of the potato, but this is what the potato looks like. There are different kind of potatoes there. Potato has been known to help with hair loss, and where I found the article, I'm going to put the link in the description area so that you guys can also read about the benefits of potato. Potato juice is full of vitamins that improves oxygen levels, and it also helps repair and restore collagen. Collagen is found in the skin and also leads to better growth of your hair. Benefits: if you suffer from if you have excess oil in your hair, it can cause breakage, and because potato is high in starch, the juice helps to extract oil. Now, I don't know if you guys have a lot of oil in your scalp. I don't know what it's gonna do because I've never tested it before. So if you suffer from dryness on your scalp, like dandruff, you might notice breakage and thinning. If you mix potato juice with lemon juice, it can help with the dryness and promote growth. Now, this is my potato. This is what my potato looks like. What I want to do is that I'm going to first peel the potato. The skin of the potato, when you have the skin, don't throw that skin away. What they said is that you can take the skin of the potato and you can boil it and add some black seed oil. I've already talked about black seed oil. You can click that link up there that just popped up and see the benefits of black seed oil. According to people, they're saying that you can use that to change your hair from gray to white. It can slow down gray hair. So I finished peeling the potatoes. So the next thing that you do is you just chop the potato into small to medium pieces. So you could either blend the potato or you could juice the potato. If you have a juicer, you can use a juicer to juice the potato. So I'm gonna take this out. I have my container over here at the bottom, and I'm just gonna put my potato into the sprout. So now we're going to start juicing, and all you just do is turn on the juicer and you are ready to go. So this is the potato juice. You guys see it's milky. There's no lumps in there. That is why I prefer using the juicer. So this actually, I think this is enough. 2 potatoes is enough for me. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my potato juice into my bottle. I'll be using my nozzle. So if you guys want to find out more information about this nozzle, you can get it on my Amazon shop, amazon.com/shop/DiscoveringNatural. And just a reminder, I also go live on Amazon to demonstrate how to use products that are on our Amazon shop. So this is my potato mixture. So the next thing, we're gonna go over to the bathroom and I'll show you how to apply this mixture in your hair. So yeah, so we're in the bathroom right now. We're getting ready to wash my hair. Before we wash my hair, we need to do something like measurement to see how this really works. So this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to take the middle section, just take a little bit of the middle section. I did a trim 2 weeks ago. So the middle section of my hair, so I did a trim, like a cut, honestly, like 2 inches off my hair. So right now, this is the length, this is where it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to shake this real good, And if you look down below, you see all the white stuff down there. That's the starch. All that starch, it's probably starch. You know, like sometimes when you're peeling potatoes and you get all your hand white. I'm thinking that's what that is. Don't quote me, please. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this, and you're supposed to just put it in your scalp. Okay, so now I've put the potato juice in my hair, and it's almost like, see, it's like drip dripping. So please protect yourself. So I'm just gonna massage my scalp, and you want to massage your scalp really well. Okay, so now I'm done massaging it. You can actually take the potato juice and put it in your hair before you start. So I'm just gonna section up my hair, and I didn't detangle my hair or anything. So I'm just sectioning up my hair and just taking little by little, taking some of the potato juice. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to take some of the potato juice and just walk it through the length of my hair, and it acts as a strengthener. So potato juice, I would think, from what I've been researching, I would think that it acts more like a strengthener. I'll let you know if my hair feels hard. My hair actually doesn't. Right now my hair just feels normal. My hair feels absolutely just normal. I'm going to put it to the ends of my hair, almost as if you are doing a hot oil treatment. So it's almost as if you are doing a hot oil treatment. So I'm just putting it. I'm going to try and remove any shedded hair, so you can see shedded hair coming out. So this is normal shedded hair. Now I've finished twisting up my hair into 4 parts, and I did apply the potato in it. So this is how much of the potato is left. So I'm thinking 1 potato, and I still had a little bit left in the bowl. So I'm thinking 1 potato and a small will be enough for the length of hair I have. If you have smaller amount of hair, just 1 potato is okay. Now, one question I know I will get is, how do you preserve this? This one you do not preserve. Please do not preserve this. You're gonna have to make it every time. What we're doing is that I'm gonna take my plastic bag, and I'm just gonna put on my plastic bag, and we'll be keeping this in my hair for 15 minutes. Another question that I know I'll be getting is, can I mix oils and all this other stuff in it? When I was researching, I didn't see anybody mix oils. However, I read that you can mix lemon juice in it, that it actually helps with the dandruff and stuff. But I'm not trying that, because you have to be very careful with lemon juice, because it can actually lighten your hair if you go out. I don't think you're gonna go out with this. One other question somebody was asking was that, can you add onion juice? Yes, you can add onion juice. It has other benefits. It helps with, you know, dandruff. It helps with growth also. You can also add aloe vera in it. So all you just do is take a little piece of aloe vera, blend it with the potato, and mix everything together and use it in your hair, and that adds moisture to it. One other question that I know I will be getting is, can you leave this in your hair overnight? Now, be very careful about leaving this overnight. 80% or so of the places when I was researching this didn't see anything about leaving it overnight. However, some people said they do leave it overnight. I will say, if you are testing this out for the first time, do not leave it overnight. Leave it for 15 to 25 minutes. I'm leaving it in my hair for 15 minutes. Why? Because I am low porosity medium, low porosity hair in most areas of my hair. Porosity just means the way your hair absorbs products in it, and also with low porosity hair, where the hair gets built up, it doesn't absorb products easily. One thing is that with low porosity hair, your hair cuticles are closed shut more than high porosity where they're exposed, and with low porosity hair you have a more sensitivity to protein. This potato juice contains starch, but it also is a high source of protein, so you want to be very careful with it. So those are the questions. If you guys have any other questions, comment down below, let me know. Okay guys, so it has been 15 minutes. During that time I cleaned up and everything, so it's been 15 minutes. Remember, you can leave this on for about 25 minutes, and yeah. Okay, so I want to show you what my hair looks like after I've let it marinate for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you know, it's liquid, so of course it feels soft. It's liquid. I can't tell any difference. I'm just removing shedded hair again. It's that time. Some people say their hair looks darker, but for me it's very hard for me to tell if my hair looks darker because my hair is, I have naturally dark hair, so it's very hard. So now what I'm going to do is that, because I don't know how the potato will react with my shampoo, which is my Kadima shampoo, so I will actually rinse out the potato first before I apply my shampoo. So I've rinsed off the potato juice from my hair, and let me just tell you how my hair feels right now. After rinsing it off, I'm touching my hair. My hair feels how it normally feels. You guys expected something different, right? No, it just feels how it normally feels. I don't feel anything different, but we're looking at this long term. So what's gonna happen is that, yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check back every week when I show you the progress of my hair, how it's doing. And this is not the end of it. I'm not gonna be one of those people that will just do the video and that's it. No, come back, watch the progress, and join my Facebook page, Discovering Natural, where I'll be going live to show you more behind the scenes stuff. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this, comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.